In this video, I'm going to show you make noise airdrop. Okay, make noise. It's not laughing, it is not bullshit. You can join in here totally free way. Okay, just you need to go through our Telegram channel, check out description box or channel description box for getting the Telegram channel. This is our Telegram channel. 250 people joined already from different country. You can be part of us. Okay, so how do you join? Everything I will show you today. So simply click on or copy this link and paste it into your browser. Then click to open the link and then it will be go through your browser. I've already collected my wallet, therefore it's showing like this. Okay, if I click on the sorry, okay, so I'm just a little bit zoom in the page. So if I click on the waitlist and then if I click on Metamask, then Metamask will be verified connected. Then your work has been done. Nothing need to do. Okay, pretty simple, straightforward. Everybody can do it. Okay, there is no hard stuff in here. So for further update, getting further update, you need to join definitely our Telegram channel. Telegram channel has in the description box always. Okay, stay with us. I do share airdrop in our Telegram channel. People from different country, I do hard always share our latest update about airdrop. Just come in here and be part of us. Okay.